Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy because you're happy. No, that's okay, but the other one is better.
I know because you know what, Courtney, since 2007 or even before that, 2001.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we had the oak floor. We never had the new floor, right?
Yes.
And this is the first time we had it, and we had all glue over it. It was so heartbreaking for us. Right?
So we will let it dry now.
Yep.
And tomorrow that guy
Yep,
will come.
put the furniture
Saturday,
back.
he will
Yep.
put the furniture. So
Thank you
we
guys
have
so much.
almost more time, you know.
Yep. I told you I'd take care of you.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much.
What's up, guys? Happy
You're welcome.
Friday.
All right, guys.
Happy Valentine's Day. Today is February the 14th. We are out here on our first project in Cummings, Georgia. This is a very unique situation. I've only done a few of these, and in this situation, this is a brand new floor that was installed about 2 weeks ago. The client originally called me because they had a lot of glue residue on the floors. They got some of the glue off. There's still some on here, so I just prepped the floors, just gave the floors a nice clean. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is one thing the clients want to do. We're going to be doing a screen and recoat with UV cure with satin finish. This floor has a matte finish. The client wants to raise the sheen, and this is a good time to do it because they have no furniture in the home. And then after this, I got to go to Buckhead and do a luxury apartment that basically used me about 3 months ago to do 2 units for them. So we got a long productive day today. The job we did yesterday, the client had already sent me a referral, and also gave me a great review last night on Google. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. Guys, it is a gorgeous day today. It's a little chilly, but it's starting to warm up. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, this is a little bit close to 1,000 square feet. Again, this is a brand new floor. I'm going to kind of zoom in right here. See that right there? See that? They have that glue. It's a lot of glue substance. See all those little spots right there? So we're going to screen this floor down. Then we're going to prep it. We're going to put down the satin rag coat, and then we're going to UV cure it. So this is the floor that we're doing, and again, this is a brand new floor installed about 2 weeks ago, and we're gonna get this floor looking really good and get some good, not only get the rag coat on it, but raise the sheen. All right. So anyway, guys, just gonna let this dry for about another 20-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna start the screening process. And then after we screen, we'll prep it for the rag coat, and then get it cured, and then we'll be heading to Buckhead. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got a great screen on this floor. As you can see with that powder, that's ensuring that we are roughing up that factory finish really good. So that's gonna create a good mechanical bond with the new finish into the floor. I actually got a few leads since I've been here, but I got one. He actually has a new floor. He's in Lawrenceville. I'm gonna go look at his Monday morning before I head to Buckhead. And do a job. He's a brand new luxury vinyl plank floor, and he said they don't know what happened, but he think the floors had some type of substance on it, and it's driving him and his wife crazy. It's about 1,200 square feet. So I'm gonna go look at that Monday morning. So anyway, guys, we're about to get this floor clean. We've already vacuumed, and then get the coating down. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clean and prep. All right, guys, floors look amazing. Beautiful. These floors have been restored, and I got the grad coat instant cure. Here's my clients. Come on up.
Look at that. That was just on my razor. Look at that, guys. That's good?
That looks really good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for.
You're welcome. Thank you for. All the spots are gone. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
That is really awesome.
And that way you didn't have to replace the floor.
I know.
It looks good?
No,
Thank
I'm
you.
telling you, I could also give you the 6 stars if there are any. That's amazing.
Thank you. All right, guys. So again, my clients are happy. I take my little blade, go across the floor. You can see the finish. It's not peeling. It's not scratching. Now, of course, I will say this. This is not scratch proof. There's nothing. I always tell clients, if you can go outside and scratch concrete, you can scratch a floor. Where? Oh, we'll take care. We'll add a little color. So you can see I'm going to different boards. All right, guys. We're gonna got a little. Yeah, we just add a little color to that. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you.
You are awesome.
I'm all, and you guys trust me from the videos, right? Thank you. All right, guys. We'll do a little touch up, little color touch up, and then the clients can start actually putting their floors back in same day. And I'm going to get this floor just a little rinse before we leave, and we'll be heading to Buckhead. See you in the next one.